Good morning, YouTube. Happy July 4th. I got a few things doing today. Of course, got to water the garden. Mow this afternoon, or probably I'll mow this morning, and got a few things to do in the house. Should probably just show you the update on the remodel we had going on the house. It's pretty much almost done now. So we just got to get the stuff in the pantry. The wife, she got everything put up on the shelves and stuff in the garage last night. So we're going to work on getting some stuff done today. Probably do a few steaks on the grill tonight if we can. But should be a very productive day. Got some some sausage that we got to make into patties and put in the freezer. But other than that, should be a nice day. It's supposed to be pretty warm today. It's supposed to be in the 90s. We'll see how hot it gets today. But yeah, let me make it back to the house and I'll show you what's going on with the pantry and in the garage. Hey, let's see, I'll give you guys a little update of what's going on while I'm cooking some sausage this morning. Of course, we got most of the kitchen table cleaned off for now, but here's what we got going on. Let me get this light on. So, got the pantry pretty much done. Got a few things we got to fix, or finish I should say, and then all of our canned goods and stuff. So we'll get everything done. We still got to get some light covers or some covers and stuff for the light switches and electrical. But yeah, looks pretty doggone good, and we got it so we can get the dog food and stuff underneath, and then we can get all of our canned goods and everything that we've canned. We get it on the shelf. We got this little side right here for just regular cans that you get out of the grocery store. It's perfect size. Got them going all the way from, pretty much all the way from the floor up to the top. And then some more spacing up there at the top. But yeah, that's going to save us a lot of room instead of these little white pantry things we had. And then in the garage, we moved of course you guys know we all moved the washer and dryer in there. And we still got some more canned beans and stuff out here that we gotta put up. But here's the final, well, just about all the final stuff going on. We got the washer dryer in here. We got some shelves. The wife worked on stacking all this stuff up yesterday. So looking pretty doggone good. But yeah, we'll get the rest of the day done, and maybe I'll show you guys that big old fat steaks we're having tonight. Stay tuned. Looky here, boys. Got two big ginormous steaks here. Can enjoy this July 4th. we'll switch it around or switcheroo around here. Get that other one closer to the heat for a little while. Ah, crap. But she's looking good. We'll get her up to the final temp, and then we'll take it inside and reverse sear this baby. We got her on here to sear. Couple minutes each side. Unfortunately, I can't use my cast iron. The wife won't let me use it on this last top. She's scared I'll scratch it. But yeah, we're gonna let it sear on let it sear a couple minutes on each side, and then we'll take it off, let it rest for 10 minutes, and we'll cut into her and see what she looks like.